different diseases. Put garlic in the oven and eat it. Look what happens 24 hours later. Garlic is a food that contains many nutrients beneficial to our body and health. It has been used for centuries to cure different diseases. But in recent years, thanks to modern medicine and studies on this food, we have been able to discover even more properties and uses, as detailed below. The power of baked garlic is so powerful that after 24 hours of consuming it, our body reacts positively to this powerful food. We have fragmented the cycles in hours so that we can understand what happens to us during the day. Hour 1. The garlic is digested in the first hour and becomes nutrients that are distributed in our body. Hours 2-4. The human body begins to perceive the antioxidants provided by garlic, which helps fight free radicals and fight cancer cells in our body. Hours 4-6. The body's metabolism begins to perceive the benefits of garlic, regulating the levels and thus beginning to activate the process to remove excess fluids and burn accumulated body fat. Hours 6-7. The antibacterial properties of garlic, after having traveled the bloodstream, begin to play a role against bacteria in the body. Hours 6-10. In this period of time, the nutrients provided by the garlic have already played their role at the cellular level, protecting against oxidation. Hour 1-24. After being digested during the first hour, the garlic initiates in your body a process of deep purification, which include the following processes: regulate cholesterol levels, cleans arteries and protects the body from heart problems. It lowers blood pressure and improves hypertension. It increases the body's natural defenses and enhances the immune system. In the debugging process, garlic helps to remove the heavy metals from your body. Helps improve bone health. Garlic helps eliminate fatigue because of its high nutrient content. Improves athletic ability. Helps in the longevity.